Worry about your character and not your reputation, because your character is who you are and your reputation is only what people think of you. An amazing reality expressed in beautiful lines. How many times have we heard this slogan in our life? What will people say? What will people say? Interesting phrase, isn't it? We are talking about our life here, and still we are more concerned about how others think rather than how we feel about it. Our whole life is being brought up in such a way that we are forced to look at only our reputation. The entire decisions and life choices are based on how the society will think about it. Our happiness, which should have taken more importance, is surprisingly put aside to fit into the so-called status of the society. We have lost our own individuality, chasing behind the established norms of the world around us. It's high time we take a minute to ask ourselves this question. Did we let the external environment affect our mindset? Well, if your answer is yes, don't worry, you are not alone. Most of our childhood would have been filled with many episodes that would have had a very bad impact in our character. Remember those days when your own family had an issue with your skin color, even though you did not have a choice to pick from? How you felt sad when people happily teased for the body structure that you have? How depressed you felt when others told you that your voice was horrible? How lonely you felt when you got compared with others? All these incidents would have surely affected us in one way or the other. We would have lost our confidence. We might have stopped talking to others as our voice wasn't good enough, cried a lot as it was too much for us to take. Well, what is the way out of this? How can we tackle such hard situations? To be honest, there is no escape from this. So once you accept this reality of the world around us, half the war is won. Next step is to change your mentality. It's not easy to change the society, but we can definitely change our way to respond to it. We do have a choice. We can either let all these negative comments affect our mind and get depressed, or we can do something different. Ask yourself whether you love yourself the way you are, whether you love your sound, whether you love your body structure. Are you happy with what you have? If you are not, and only then should you change yourself. But if you are, then don't pay attention to the people who tease you. Just ignore them. They have a mouth, so they say. You have legs, just walk away. There might be many others who love you the way you are. Spend your time with them. Focus on the right people. Ignore the negativity. Don't give up just because you might have messed up a speech. Don't give up just because your sound is not what others would want it to be. Don't give up just because you got embarrassed in front of others. Be thankful that you have a voice to speak, cause many don't have that. Be thankful that you have a good body, cause many are born differently able. Be thankful for what you have. Take every taunting and teasing you might have faced as a fuel to keep pushing you. If you trust yourself and keep trying hard, then one day will come when the same people who teased and taunted you will stand up and clap their hands for what you have achieved. I believe these people are the best chapters in your life, cause without them, you wouldn't have worked so hard to reach where you are. Let people say what they want to say. It's up to you to decide how to react to it. Remember, just cause you failed once doesn't mean that you're gonna fail at everything. Keep believing in yourself and keep trying hard, and the rest will fall in place. Have a good day.